Welcome to Bike Update Review. Hey riders! Today we're diving into the all-new 2026 Bajaj Pulsar Sompeninti is one of the most anticipated commuter bikes hitting the streets next year. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend rider, this update aims to keep the legendary Pulsar spirit alive with fresh looks and modern tech. Heritage and what's new in 2026. The Pulsar brand celebrates 25 years in 2026, and Bajaj Auto is marking the occasion with important upgrades to its classic lineup, including the Pulsar 150. Reports suggest this model will be refreshed with new styling, cues like LED lighting and updated decals, while still staying true to the classic Pulsar look many riders love. Design and styling updates. The 2026 Pulsar 150 gets sharp new decals, modern LED lights, and subtle cosmetic refinements that give it a fresher appeal without straying far from its iconic identity. The overall muscular stance and sporty attitude are expected to stay just as bold and recognizable as before. Performance and mechanical highlights. While the core mechanicals are expected to remain largely the same, the 149.5C engine will continue to deliver reliable performance with around 14 PS of power and 13.4 Nm of torque, paired with a smooth 5-speed gearbox. The suspension and basic layout are familiar but may see minor tweaks for improved ride quality. Tech and features. You'll notice expect more modern touches like LED lighting and a digital instrument cluster, potentially, with Bluetooth connectivity, bringing the Pulsar 150 closer to the tech levels of newer bikes in the segment. These updates will help the Pulsar feel more current and user-friendly for daily commuters. Launch and availability. The refreshed 2026 Bajaj Pulsar 150 is expected to roll out throughout 2026, with dealerships already starting to receive early units ahead of the official launch. Prices aren't confirmed yet, but stay tuned. This bike aims to deliver classic Pulsar value with modern upgrades. Closing thoughts. That's a quick look at the upcoming 2026 Bajaj Pulsar Stopedy, blending timeless Pulsar DNA with thoughtful updates. If you're looking for a dependable ride with a fresh edge next year,